Hi, everybody. Big guy here. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage. Listen, I've been hearing a lot about a game called Minecraft. I don't know anything about it, so I tried to find a local expert who could help explain to me what Minecraft is all about. So I found a young man named Sam. Sam, are you there? Yeah.
Thanks for having me on, big guy.
Okay. And are you a good Minecraft player?
Yes.
How long have you been playing Minecraft?
Almost a year.
Okay. What's your favorite character?
I don't think I have one. There's so much skin packs.
Okay. Okay, this is the Minecraft board. Where are we on the Minecraft?
We spawned right near a swamp.
Right near what?
A swamp.
Right near the swamp. Now, are we looking for somebody?
It's someone. So the first thing you have to look for, it's food and wood.
So we're looking for food? What is that animal?
A pig.
Is that food?
Yeah, it drops cooked raw pork chop.
Sounds like a chicken.
Yeah.
So how do you win the game?
You have to beat something called the Ender Dragon. It's a big black dragon, and then once you do that, it like restarts your world, but it doesn't really. But it's like that's when you know like you beat it.
Okay.
I got a really lucky spawn.
So you're collecting a lot of food. Do you have weapons?
I didn't get one yet. So I usually start off. Okay, I think I have enough food. I usually start off by doing this. All you have to do is chop a tree.
Oh, so you chop a tree and you get wood, and what do you do with the wood?
You turn it into oak planks. Or any type of planks. Like there's a lot of different trees. So like if you're, let's say you're in like a spruce biome. You'll get like spruce wood.
Okay.
Like there are like different types of wood, and it has different shades. Like there's like different types of, like there can be different types of wood even in the same biome. Like this right here, that's a different tree. Look, this, and then compare that.
Yeah, they look like two different trees. Now, what are you doing now?
So you have to make, so I don't really make weapons. So, oh! I don't know how I already found that. Okay, I already found a cave. So, I don't know how, but usually you find caves at like really low parts. That wasn't, here, let me turn the coordinates on.
So what's that box over there? Is that a cage?
Wait, one sec. What, where?
Right there, that box. Is that a cage?
Right here?
Yeah.
That's a crafting table. That's how you like craft stuff. So right here, perfect. Okay, wow.
Where are we now? We're down
We're
underground.
Yep.
And what are you doing?
I'm getting stone so I can get stone tools. And then after I do that, I'm gonna get iron gear.
So you have wood and you have stones now and food.
So the food, I'm gonna try to cook the chicken, because if you don't, it can give you the hunger effect, and then it makes your hunger go down faster. So yeah.
So you have stones, you have an axe and a pick.
Yep, a pickaxe.
Pickaxe. Is that a sword down the bottom?
Right here?
Yeah, right. Is that a sword?
Stone sword.
Okay, it's made out of stone. So you need all these things to fight the dragon?
No. you need way more. Like you literally need like maybe even diamond gear. It's insane. Like you need like arrows, bows, like crazy stuff.
Wow, there's a lot of weapons you have to collect.
Like if you literally just came there and you were like, oh, I have leather gear, the best gear in the game, and then you just try it, I bet it can defeat you in like I'm not even sure, but it's like it'll take the Ender Dragon like 5 seconds. It's like it's really not 5 seconds, but it's really powerful.
When we get to the dragon, do we have to find the dragon, or does the dragon find us?
So we have to find the dragon. So whenever you play, you need eyes of Ender, and then those look like little eyes. Like just it's like you need Ender pearls and blaze powder. You get blaze powder for oh jeez. You get it from the Nether. And
What are you doing now? What's that red and orange stuff?
lava.
Lava? So we're near a volcano. Now, is the way you win the game is to defeat the dragon?
Yep. So you defeat the dragon, and then there's a portal, and then there's a dragon egg. It's like almost impossible to collect. Like it's really hard. And then if you can collect the egg, you can find a way to summon the Ender Dragon again. Or you can just get end crystals, which I have no idea how to get, but I think we just found a key. Yep. But I don't have... Oh, yeah. Perfect. As soon as I was about to say I don't have any torches, I found coal. So now I can make some. Oh, that's it. Okay. At least I can make 12.
Okay, so good luck finding the dragon. Okay, Sam. Thank you very much for coming to the show. I appreciate it.
Thanks for having me on. It was fun playing Minecraft.
Thank you very much for being here. We'll see you next time, okay?
See you next time.
Okay, everybody, did you enjoy that with Sam? Come on. Okay. Come on, let's hear it. Come on, really give it up for Sam. Let's go. Thanks, Sam. We'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for watching Mike's Garage.